Lenovo has recently introduced the Xiaoxin Pro 27 2024, an all-in-one PC developed for the Chinese market. This sleek and sophisticated device integrates all essential components of a traditional desktop computer, including the monitor, CPU, keyboard, and mouse, into a single, streamlined unit, offering a space-saving and elegant solution for users. Here's a closer look at the key specifications of the Lenovo Xiaoxin Pro 27 2024 all-in-one PC. The Xiaoxin Pro 27 2024 is powered by a 13th Gen Intel Core H series processor. The base configuration features an i5 to 13420H chip, with an option to upgrade to the more powerful i9 to 13900H. In terms of memory, the all-in-one PC desktop comes equipped with 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, expandable to 32 GB, ensuring smooth multitasking and efficient performance. For storage, it boasts a 1TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe M.2 SSD, providing ample space for files and applications. The Xiaoxin Pro 27 2024 sports a minimalist and slim body, measuring approximately 15.8mm at its thinnest point. This sleek appearance makes it a stylish and space-efficient addition to any desk or workspace. The all-in-one PC features a 27-inch 2.5K display, with a resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels, a 100Hz refresh rate, and an impressive 99% sRGB color gamut. To enhance user comfort, the PC is equipped with hardware-level blue light protection and a flicker-free screen, certified by Germany's Rhineland, ensuring reduced eye strain during extended use. The Xiaoxin Pro 27 2024 includes voice noise reduction dual microphones, enabling clear communication even in noisy environments. Stereo speakers calibrated by Harman provide an immersive audio experience. For connectivity, the all-in-one desktop offers a variety of ports, including USB-A, USB-C, HDMI, and Gigabit Ethernet. It also features a 2.5K Livestream-grade camera and supports Wi-Fi 6 for reliable and fast wireless connectivity. The Xiaoxin Pro 27 2024 runs on Windows 11 Home Chinese Edition and comes bundled with a wireless keyboard and mouse, eliminating the need for additional purchases. It has undergone rigorous stability testing and is backed by a 3-year limited warranty and on-site service for added peace of mind. The Xiaoxin Pro 27 2024 all-in-one PC is competitively priced at 5399 yuan or approximately $762, making it an attractive choice for users seeking a powerful and stylish all-in-one solution. Lenovo enthusiasts and those in the market for a reliable all-in-one PC can mark their calendars, as the device is set to be available for sales starting January 1st. In addition to the all-in-one PC desktop, Lenovo also unveiled the Ryzen edition of the Xiaoxin Air 14 2023 laptop in China. Priced at 3999 yuan, which is approximately $565, this laptop offers an alternative for users who prefer a portable computing solution with AMD's Ryzen processors. The Xiaoxin Air 14 2023 laptop, like its all-in-one PC counterpart, combines performance with affordability, providing consumers with diverse options to meet their specific computing needs. In summary, the Lenovo Xiaoxin Pro 27 2024 all-in-one PC combines powerful performance, a stylish appearance, and a range of features to meet the needs of modern users, making it a noteworthy addition to the all-in-one PC market in China. What do you say about the updated all-in-one PC? I will be interested to know your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.